Did you know there are over 7,000 species of lizards living on Earth? From tiny geckos that can walk on walls, to giant dragons that hunt deer. Today, we're exploring 50 incredible types of lizards from around the world. Let's begin. Komodo Dragon. The Komodo dragon is the world's largest living lizard. It can grow over 10 feet long, weigh more than 150 pounds, and uses venom along with razor-sharp teeth to hunt prey. Green iguana. The green iguana lives in the rainforests of Central and South America. Despite its fierce appearance, it mainly eats leaves, flowers, and fruit. Marine iguana. Only found in the Galapagos Islands, the marine iguana is the world's only seagoing lizard. It dives underwater to feed on algae. Leopard Gecko. Leopard gecko is one of the world's most popular pet lizards. Unlike most geckos, it has movable eyelids and stores fat in its thick tail. Tokay Gecko. Known for its loud tokay call, this colorful gecko is a skilled nighttime hunter. Its sticky feet allow it to climb almost any surface. Crested Gecko. Once thought extinct, the crested gecko was rediscovered in New Caledonia in 1994. Its eyelashes-like crests give it a unique appearance. Gargoyle Gecko. This gecko gets its name from the horn-like bumps on its head, resembling ancient stone gargoyles. Day Gecko. Unlike most geckos, day geckos are active during daylight. Their bright green colors help them blend into tropical plants. Bearded dragon. Native to Australia, the bearded dragon puffs out its spiky throat when threatened. This beard makes it appear much larger. Frilled Lizard. When frightened, the frilled lizard opens a huge frill around its neck. It often runs on its hind legs like a tiny dinosaur. Thorny Devil. Covered in sharp spikes, the Thorny Devil survives Australia's deserts by collecting water through tiny grooves in its skin. Sailfin Dragon. This impressive lizard has a large sail-like crest along its back and tail. It is an excellent swimmer. Chinese Water Dragon. Living near rivers and streams, this lizard can stay underwater for over 20 minutes to escape predators. Eastern Water Dragon. Found in Australia, this species enjoys basking in the sun before diving into water for safety. Savannah Monitor. The Savannah Monitor is a powerful African lizard with strong claws used for digging burrows. Nile Monitor. One of Africa's largest lizards, the Nile Monitor is an excellent swimmer and skilled predator. Black-throated monitor. This giant monitor can grow over 7 feet long and has incredible intelligence. Asian water monitor. One of the heaviest lizards on Earth, it often lives near rivers, swamps, and mangroves. Tree monitor. Tree monitors spend most of their lives climbing through rainforest canopies. Ackie Monitor. Smaller than other monitor lizards, Ackies are energetic and highly curious. Blue-tongued skink. This skink flashes its bright blue tongue to scare away predators. Fire skink. Its brilliant orange and red scales make it one of the most colorful reptiles. Schneider skink. Known for its friendly nature, Schneider's skink enjoys burrowing in loose sand. Five-lined skink. Young, five-lined skinks have vivid blue tails that distract predators. Emerald tree skink. These social lizards often interact with each other and even recognize familiar humans. Glass lizard. Although it looks like a snake, The glass lizard actually has eyelids and ear openings. It can also drop its tail when threatened. Slow worm. Despite its name, the slow worm is a legless lizard, not a snake. Alligator lizard. Its rough scales and long body resemble a miniature alligator. Armadillo girdled lizard. When threatened, it bites its own tail and curls into a ball like an armadillo. Caiman lizard. Specialized for crushing snails, the Caiman lizard has incredibly powerful jaws. Basilisk lizard. Nicknamed the Jesus Christ lizard, it can run across the surface of water. Collared lizard. This colorful North American lizard can sprint on 2 legs. Chuckwalla. The chuckwalla inflates its body inside rock crevices, making it impossible for predators to pull it out. Uromastyx. Also called the spiny-tailed lizard, Uromastyx thrives in harsh deserts while feeding mostly on plants. Earless monitor lizard, one of the world's rarest reptiles, this mysterious species has no visible external ears. Mexican beaded lizard, one of only a few venomous lizards, it stores venom in glands inside its lower jaw. Gila Monster. The Gila Monster is North America's largest native venomous lizard. Its colorful skin warns predators to stay away. Fence lizard. Often seen basking on rocks and fences throughout North America. Horned lizard. Also called the horny toad, it can squirt blood from its eyes to scare predators. Anole anoles change color between green and brown depending on mood, temperature, and surroundings. Night anole. The largest anole species is a powerful climber found in Cuba. Cuban false chameleon. Despite its name, it isn't a true chameleon. It specializes in eating snails. Panther Chameleon. One of the most colorful reptiles on Earth, each region of Madagascar produces different color patterns. Veiled chameleon. This famous chameleon has a tall casque on its head and independently moving eyes. Jackson's chameleon. Recognizable by its 3 horns, Jackson's chameleon resembles a tiny dinosaur. Carpet chameleon. A beautifully patterned chameleon native to Madagascar. Oustalet's chameleon, one of the largest chameleons in the world. Leaf-tailed gecko. Its tail perfectly resembles a dead leaf, making it nearly invisible in forests. Satanic leaf-tailed gecko. Its bizarre appearance provides one of nature's best camouflage disguises. Flying dragon, also called Draco, this tiny lizard spreads wing-like skin flaps to glide between trees. It cannot truly fly, but it can glide more than 30 feet through the forest. Lizards come in every shape, size, and color imaginable. Which lizard was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below.